Today in the grain market, soybeans were higher. They're staying range bound right now, so we're kind of stuck. We're kind of like stuck in actually a tighter range, but we're really above that psychological $9 number, so that's helping. The futures are really consolidating, and they're looking for market direction. You know, will it come from the weather? We've got mild weather this weekend. How about in China? Are they going to start taking some of the supplies that they've already said they were going to take? Our export sales, they have been weak as of late, but maybe if we get a little bit of an uptick, that might hold the market in. Is there a trade resolution with this U.S.-China trade war? All these things are, really what would normally drive the market, but we're waiting to hear. You know, one thing for sure, though, good conditions in the crops is going to equal good yields. And so as long as we get that kind of crop condition report, we can see that. Now, there are some dry areas right now where, all of a sudden it's raining and then it stops for a long time. I don't know how that's going to help the crop, but we're going to watch that closely. The numbers are going to be really evasive for us almost all summer. So we're hoping the USDA can help us catch up and we can get a little bit better idea of what we're going to see at the, once the harvest begins. Now, with corn, it slipped a little bit. That mild weather for the weekend definitely is in play, and that's why we kind of fell a little bit. The traders are really shoring up their positions now. They're preparing for an improved crop report on Monday, and that definitely is going to be a little bit bearish for prices. So we have a little bit opposite of what we've been having for the last couple of weeks. Wheat, on the other hand, retreated somewhat. They're surveying some of the fields, and they say they were looking good. Most all of the data actually is bearish too. There's been lackluster interest in wheat, and it's kind of slipping a little bit right now, but there's still, it's still difficult for us to be competitive with the Europe prices, and we've got to get a little bit lower, even though we had a little bit of uptick in some export demand. But as it stands right now, a lot of bearish news on the horizon, but we're not that much lower, 3 or 4 cents, also with Kansas City as well.